Alright, today we're going to be turning this steel drum into this. Tools you're going to need: a little screwdriver, flat blade, bigger screwdriver, flat blade, Phillips, white spirits, rag, underproofing, and an underproofing roller. These are Butyl sheets from Underdog. They do the job. I'm going to do the rear door for this video because the sun is playing havoc with the phone camera. It's a workmate. We need to remove handle, winder, and then the door card. It's easy as. Phillips screwdriver takes out the screws at probably a 30-degree angle. You don't want to put it straight, you want to put it at an angle. And that'll come off like so. Screws fell on the floor, whoops. The next thing is the winder. Easy to get off, hard to get back on. Roll it down. Then there's two clips ends for the circlip in here. You get your flatty screwdriver in there. And you can pull down on the clips and kind of flick them away on the ends of the circlip. You get it in, you push it away. Once you've pushed the clips forwards, wind it up, and you should be able to get your little screwdriver in. Get the flat side of the clip and kind of pry it up.
I think I might use water because this leaves a residue. It's kind of...
Here's the little bugger. So you pull that out, and then the winder will come right off. Next thing is the door handle. Phillips bolt, screw, right in there. Take her out. And the handle will still be clipped in, so you push it towards the car, and it comes loose. Next thing to do is to just unpop the door card. Don't need any tools, just be gentle. And the door card comes off. You just rotate it around the handle and it should come right off. And there's your door. There's probably going to be a plastic film in there, just rip that shit off. And then you want to get in with the white spirits and your rag and clean all the filth from the door. Now that's all nice and clean inside. Give it 5 minutes or so for the fumes to clear. Cheers. Forgot to add, you're going to need some good scissors because the sheets don't fit completely and you're going to have to cut them to shape. I'm going to cut this one into about thirds so it fits through the hole, and you can just put them into place, and if there's a little bit of gap between them, who cares? It's just mass to stop the vibrations. Get your pieces in, get your roller, and nice and firmly roll bottom up or up down, just so it fits the creases. Nice and firm. And then you can use the handle to push into any creases or any hard to fit gaps. Just push it down, it'll stick. It's all Butyl rubber. Right in the corners. There you go. Here's the hardest part of the whole process, putting your handle back on. Line up your window, put it to where you want it, wind it back a bit so she's pointing up, and you need to get your clippy, get it inside, and then push it down with the little screwdriver. There you can see I've got the little clip in place. Now I need to get my little thin screwdriver and try and push it down so it clips in. Well, this could have saved me bloody ages. You can kind of get the clip on beforehand. It'll sit on. And put your handle on. And then you can get your screwdriver and push. It'll clip down a bit and it'll clip into place. Bloody beautiful. And that's it. That should stop some of the road noise. Here's the product I used. Bought it from StopSoundAndHeat.com.au, something like that. Link will be in the description. 4 square meters plus roller, $140 shipped. Quite a bit cheaper than the car audio guys, whatever it's called. You know what I mean.